You're like me and you want to lose weight so that you're not always going to be shaped like a walrus, or you're battling your own health conditions, my goal is to inspire you to get out and grow your own food. So with that being said, I'm Nate and welcome to my urban garden. And that is deep red. Wow. Hey, what's up, growers? I'm Nate, and usually I would say welcome to my garden, but today we're going to be indoors because all of these beets and cucumbers and bell peppers that you all got to see me harvest, I'm going to show you what my plan is as far as storage or how I'm going to consume these products that we've grown. So that's what this video is going to be about. And if you enjoy content like this, as always, leave a like on the video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, it's a perfect time to subscribe. So with that being said, let's get indoors and let's get to work. All right, so I weighed these. And though it may not look like it, this is almost 45 pounds worth of beets. So today I'm going to juice them. The thing about beets though, they stain. So definitely gonna wear some gloves. And this is just a picnic table that I have in my grow room. I don't care about it getting stained, but and that's why I'm not doing this in the kitchen. Yeah, but we're gonna cut them up, juice them up, and see how much juice we can get. Hopefully this will provide me enough to get me through the year, or at least until later. So, all right, so before I juice these beets, of course, I wanted to make sure I cleaned them really well. So I filled the sink up with water, added a little bit of vinegar in there, and I got this sponge and I got to scrubbing beet by beet, and it tore my fingers up. When I say all of the cleaning, boy, my hands were raw and soft. So, and it was a whole bunch of beets as y'all saw, so I had to constantly empty and refill the sink with water and vinegar. And when I was done cleaning these beets, the sink was full of dirty water, as you can see here. But the beets were clean, and that's all that really matters to me. Look how red that is. That's beautiful. It's a nice crimson, right? They're soft. They're not like soft, but well, maybe it's just a decent knife. They're cutting pretty easily, as you can see. That is beautiful. Look at those. That so beautiful. All right, let's get the juicing. splashes gets on the wall. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we got our first full container of beet juice. I wasn't counting the beets, but looking at the tops here, that was 1, 2, 3, 4. That was only not even 5 full beets, because as you can see, I still got a little bit left here on the table, and we got 1 full container. So now it's time for me to pull out my storage containers, and I'm gonna store my beet juice in these. Let's get to it. I don't have the best juicer, but I mean it does the trick. I do think that it could get some of the pulp out. If I had a better juicer, I'd probably get a little bit more pulp out, but it's fine. I'm okay with a little pulp in it. And that is deep red. Wow. That actually is more than enough to fill up that container. It's the first one, y'all. Container number 2. Okay, so one thing I actually forgot about in juicing, there's always going to be the pulp left over. there's the pulp. And what's cool about this is I'm gonna use it for compost. Don't let anything go to waste, y'all. Use it for compost. Leave it to me to make a mess and drop some on the floor. Sounds good. Sounds good. It just burnt everywhere. Once I get to the end, I lose control. That's funny. This was what got stopped up when there was a bunch in there when I had to clean it out. So I'm gonna run it through one more time. Definitely worth running through. Ooh, I am beat. I've literally been juicing for probably an hour or two. um, we have 14 of these filled with beet juice and 4 full bags for composting. I think that is awesome. Y'all should see the what are these next to me? Cucumbers. Y'all should see the cucumbers. It's literally beet juice all over the cucumbers because I had like a small explosion go on. Luckily nothing got on the walls, so we're okay. Now to clean up and figure out what's next. Oh, these, as far as if you're worrying about storage, I will be putting these in my deep freezer, and as I need them, I will take them out, let them unthaw, and then use them. These are 32 ounces, each one of them, and like I say, that's 14 of them. It's recommended that I think don't drink more than like 8 ounces of beet juice a day. So this will probably go quite a long ways. Of course, probably not enough for a year, but I think it'll do very well. I mix it with grapefruit juice and lime, and that's how I drink it. So it actually might stretch because grapefruit, as you know, when you juice that, it's a whole lot of juice in it. So anyway, hopefully this inspires you all to grow food. As always, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, it's a perfect time to do so. And take care of yourselves, take care of those around you, take care of your garden, and it'll take care of you, like mine is taking care of me. I'll catch you all later.